What's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Natalie and this is my channel, Music2Makeup.
My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
So today's video I am so excited for. I have been wanting to do this for a minute now since I got this palette, and it is going to be swatches and a look using this Juvia's Place the Warrior palette. Oh, so gorgeous. So this is, I've been wanting to try Juvia's Place for a long time, but I was having such difficulty deciding which palette I wanted. I really did want to get a colorful one, but I also, just bought a lot of colorful palettes, so I'm like, let me just go for the neutral and gold toned one. And yeah, so that's why I decided to get this one. And I'm gonna do some swatches of this and this look right here, which I am obsessed with. So if you would like to see swatches of this beautiful palette right here and how to get this look, then keep on watching. And if you do like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know every time I upload a new video. And let me know if you've tried any Juvia's Place eyeshadow palettes, and if you do have a recommendation, let me know, because I'm definitely going to be getting another one. Alright, let's get into it. You guys don't even know, I shaved my arm. Because whenever I try, oh, well, I guess you can see it now. I don't know why I was having such a hard time doing swatches on this side. So I shaved here. I'm like, I'll do swatches like this. I used to shave my arms, but that was before I was in pain 24/7. So now I'm lucky if my legs get shaved, all right? Okay, so I'm going to be going to the first row, and these names are really odd. I don't know how to pronounce them, so I apologize if I pronounce them wrong, because I most likely will. But I will have everything somewhere, either in the description or on the screen. The first one is Amina. The next one is Idia. Oh my gosh, I love this one. I was thinking about using this one on my lid as well. I wanted to use every single one, honestly. I'm gonna say that about every one I swatch. And it's the next one is Minnow, M-I-N-O, and it's a dark, matte chocolate. And the next one is Ahosi, and this one is very similar to my skin tone, so this one you're definitely not going to be able to see well. Oh yeah, no, you can't see it at all. Next one is Moremi, and this is like a very light pale gold. The next one is Cano. Then Dahomey. I'm riding with Dahomey. I'm gonna put it up here. Oh my god, that's so gorgeous. Then Bakwa. That's like a yellow, bright yellow gold. And the last one was the one I used on the shade. It looks like Benign, B-E-N-I-N. Benin, I don't know, Benin. And it's right here. So this doesn't have like all the colors I'm gonna want to use. So I'm gonna be going in with a few other shades because most of this palette are, are shimmer colors. There's only the 3 mattes. So I am going to go in with Paper Tiger by ColourPop. I am so obsessed with this color, like you don't even know. It's kind of like a mustardy yellow, like a pukey color. And I'm just gonna put that in my crease. I'm gonna kill these swirls. You guys don't even know. I'm gonna be like Elmer Fudd, but we're not gonna be hunting rabbits, we're gonna be hunting squirrels. Okay. So now I'm going to go in with Cano, this like medium toned brown right here. And what blush am I going to use? I'm going to use a Morphe M433. And I'm going to take that, pat it on the outer corner. And then I kind of like swipe it in to blend it. And then once I get most of the shadow like on the outer part of my lid, then I drag the brush into my crease. The shadow is very pigmented and it does blend out very nicely. This is my first Juvia's Place palette. I've been wanting to try them for so long. So then I'm going to go back in with my E27 and blend it out. This is going to be a super easy look. I'm also gonna get some more of the Paper Tiger and just blend the crease out some more with that transition shade, like kind of along the edges. Just make it a little bit more smoother, more smooth, I don't know, smoother, whatever. Okay, and I think I'm gonna go in with Benign, this one down here. I'm gonna go in with my NYX glitter glue. So now I'm gonna go in with a Wet n Wild flat synthetic brush. There is like hardly any fallout. These are really good shadows. So now I'm going to take this Sephora Pro Smoky Liner brush and go in with Mino, this dark brown. That's just translucent powder, don't mind that. And I'm gonna go in the outer corner of the eye and deepen that up and blend it in with the lid shade. Okay, so now I'm going to take some X Plus and spray it on my little dish here and go back in with that lid shade. Ooh, girl. I see you. Ooh, so pretty. I'm gonna go in with my NYX, it's an eye and eyebrow pencil in dark brown. And I'm going to put that on my lash line. And my lower waterline. I'm not gonna go too heavy on the eyeliner. I just kind of want to give it a little bit of smokiness. And I'm going to line my upper waterline with this Ardency in, look how small it is, black eyeliner. Okay, so now I'm going to take that pencil brush again in the same dark brown color and just go over the eyeliner. Taking the same brush, I'm going to go back in with that lighter brown and put that on the lower lash line. I'm gonna go in with the dark brown as well, just kind of like on the outer third. And then I'm going to blend that out. I'm gonna take this Too Faced Natural Matte palette and use Heaven, this like beige shade right there. Now I'm gonna go in with mascara. Try these like cuckoo. Is that like cuckold? Not that I know what that is, but I got these on Amazon. I will see how these look. If I change my mind and pick something else, I'll let you know what I used. But I'm gonna finish the rest of my makeup and put some lashes on, and I will be back. So this is the finished look. For a lip, I just used this Makeup Revolution, what's it called? Luxurious, or lip topper in Luxurious. I really like how this turned out. These shadows are amazing. They are so pigmented and like so like buttery, and they had hardly any fallout. You could do an entire, you know, multiple different looks with this. I wish maybe there were a few more mattes, like a few more crease shades, but I got this one because it had a lot of shimmer shades, which is what I was really wanting to try. So I definitely think, you know, for 20 bucks, like these pans are really big. You can't beat that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.